We're excited to showcase the top features from a year of innovative updates. First up, dashboard folders. It topped our Grow Ideas customer votes. Now you can categorize your dashboard collection into folders. Introducing Table Drilldown. You love drill downs and charts. Now we've brought this capability to tables for deeper data dives. With our new Embedding API, you can now integrate Grow charts into other platforms and web pages, complete with interactive and filterable features. Our Extract Transform makes data manipulation easy, offering 6 ways to transform column data, like extracting specific characters from any field. The Coalesce Transform helps ensure you always have data to work with, replacing nulls with backup values to maintain continuous insights. Clean up your data with the Find and Replace Transform. Turn those dashes to underscores in text columns in a snap. Stay ahead with alerts on data sets. Set up notifications for critical data thresholds, like a deal amount sum alert for proactive monitoring. The custom REST API is now more user-friendly. Import data from any app or system without a Grow connector, like pulling album lists from Spotify.